You may think that blurry vision at night, trouble reading small print, or difficulty seeing clearly in dim light is just a normal part of aging. But the truth is far more serious. These are not simply signs that your eyes are getting older. They are warnings that the delicate cells in your retina are being damaged faster than they can repair themselves. For seniors, this silent damage often continues while you sleep, leaving you with weaker vision every morning. But here is the shocking fact. Most people do not know certain nutrients can actually help your eyes heal during sleep. And one particular fruit, when eaten before bed, has been shown to supply powerful antioxidants that protect your retina, improve blood flow to your eyes, and support natural repair processes that happen overnight. I have seen patients who struggled with glare, dryness, and poor night vision experience noticeable improvement after adding this fruit to their nightly routine. Imagine going to bed with tired eyes and waking up with sharper vision, because you gave your body the exact tools it needed to restore itself. In this video, I will reveal why seniors lose vision during sleep, explain the science behind antioxidants and eye repair. I'll show you the fruit that can make a difference, and guide you on how to eat it safely to maximize the benefits. Before we dive in, if you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you hit that button and turn on the bell so you never miss another health tip made just for you. And if you enjoy this video, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 so I know how to make better content for you. Part 1. Why seniors lose vision during sleep. The first thing you must understand is why so many seniors wake up with eyes that feel weaker, drier, or blurrier than the night before. Sleep is meant to be the time when the body repairs itself. But for aging eyes, that repair process is often incomplete or even disrupted. One major reason is circulation. As we get older, blood vessels that supply the retina and optic nerve become narrower and less flexible. During sleep, when blood pressure naturally dips, the reduced flow may not be enough to deliver oxygen and nutrients to delicate eye tissues. Without this supply, repair slows down and damage accumulates. Another reason is oxidative stress. Every day, your eyes are exposed to light, screens, and environmental toxins that generate free radicals. These unstable molecules attack the retina, especially the macula, the area responsible for sharp central vision. Younger eyes have abundant antioxidants to neutralize these radicals, but seniors often lack these defenses. At night, instead of repairing, the retina continues to suffer damage. Degenerative conditions such as age-related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy worsen in this environment. Seniors may also experience something called nocturnal hypotension. This is a drop in blood pressure during sleep that sounds harmless, but can actually deprive the optic nerve of adequate blood flow. Studies show that prolonged dips in nighttime blood pressure are linked to vision loss, particularly in glaucoma patients. Another factor is dry eye. Tear production decreases with age, and at night, with eyes closed for many hours, the cornea can become dry and irritated. Seniors often wake with burning, gritty eyes, a sign that the protective surface of the eye is not being restored properly. Add to this the impact of chronic illnesses like diabetes and high cholesterol, which damage blood vessels and increase clotting risks. And you see why aging eyes face a nightly struggle. The combination of reduced circulation, oxidative stress, and weaker repair mechanisms, explains why seniors may lose vision during sleep or notice gradual decline over time. This is not something to ignore because once retinal cells die, they do not regenerate. But there is hope. Nutrition plays a powerful role in supporting nighttime repair, and certain antioxidants have been shown to protect and restore retinal function. If this surprised you, wait until you hear about the next part, where I will reveal the hidden power of antioxidants in eye repair and why they are the key to protecting your vision while you sleep. Part 2. The hidden power of antioxidants in eye repair. The second truth you must know is that antioxidants are the silent protectors of your vision, especially during sleep. Every day, your eyes are exposed to light, pollution, and even the oxygen you breathe, all of which generate unstable molecules called free radicals. These molecules attack the delicate tissues of the retina, damaging proteins, lipids, and DNA inside your eye cells. This process is known as oxidative stress, and it is one of the most important drivers of age-related vision loss. Antioxidants are compounds that neutralize free radicals, stopping them from causing damage and allowing your cells to repair themselves. When you sleep, your body naturally tries to restore and renew the eye. But without enough antioxidants in your system, the damage continues unchecked. Seniors are especially vulnerable because natural antioxidant defenses decline with age. Vitamins such as C and E, minerals like zinc, and carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin are all essential in this protective process. Vitamin C helps regenerate other antioxidants and supports collagen in the eye. Vitamin E shields fatty membranes and retinal cells from being destroyed. Zinc acts as a cofactor for enzymes that repair damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin concentrate in the macula, filtering harmful blue light and preserving central vision. Anthocyanins, the pigments that give berries their deep red and purple colors, are particularly powerful at improving microcirculation in the retina and reducing oxidative stress. Multiple clinical studies, including the large-scale AREDS trials published in ophthalmology journals, have shown that supplementing the diet with these antioxidants slows the progression of age-related macular degeneration and helps preserve vision in seniors. What is fascinating is how these nutrients work best during the night. As you rest, your body shifts resources into repair mode. If antioxidants are present in sufficient amounts, they support the retina in fixing daily wear and tear. Without them, free radicals continue to erode eye cells, leading to permanent loss of vision over time. This is why adding antioxidant-rich foods, particularly before bed, is so important. By ensuring your bloodstream is full of these protective compounds when you sleep, you give your eyes the ammunition they need to fight back. Patients who consistently include antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables often report clearer night vision, less eye fatigue, and reduced glare. The science is undeniable. Antioxidants are not optional. They are the foundation of eye repair. If this has shown you the hidden power of nutrition, wait until you hear about the next part, where I will reveal the specific fruit you should eat before bed to maximize these benefits and give your eyes the best chance to heal overnight. Part 3. The fruit you should eat before bed. The third truth, and the one many seniors have been waiting for, is identifying the fruit that can truly support your eyes while you sleep. Among all the options available, berries stand out, especially blueberries and goji berries, because of their unique concentration of anthocyanins and carotenoids. These compounds have been studied extensively for their ability to improve blood flow to the retina, reduce oxidative stress, and protect against age-related degeneration. Blueberries, for example, are rich in anthocyanins that strengthen the tiny capillaries in your eyes, helping oxygen and nutrients reach the retina during the night. They also reduce inflammation, one of the hidden drivers of progressive vision loss. Goji berries, long used in traditional medicine, are one of the most concentrated food sources of zeaxanthin, the pigment that filters harmful blue light and protects the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision. Eating a small serving of these fruits before bed allows your bloodstream to carry their protective antioxidants into the night hours. When the body enters repair mode, I have seen seniors who struggled with night glare and dry, tired eyes experience improvement after adding these berries to their evening routine. One patient in her 70s described how reading became easier and driving at dusk less frightening after she consistently ate a handful of blueberries with her evening snack. Another senior noticed that the gritty, burning sensation in his eyes on waking had reduced significantly once he added goji berries to his nightly tea. The science supports these stories. Studies published in journals like the British Journal of Nutrition and Investigative Ophthalmology confirm that regular consumption of these fruits improves retinal health markers and slows progression of age-related macular degeneration. Beyond their eye-specific benefits, these fruits also help regulate blood sugar, lower blood pressure, and support cardiovascular health, all of which indirectly protect vision. The key is timing. Eating them before bed ensures that their antioxidant compounds are circulating in your system at the very moment your eyes are undergoing nightly repair. This is not about eating large amounts, but about consistency and timing. Just a small serving each night can make a noticeable difference over time. The lesson here is simple. The fruit you eat before bed can either help your eyes repair or leave them vulnerable to damage. By choosing antioxidant-rich berries, you arm your vision with the tools it needs to heal while you sleep. If this has made you realize the power of such a simple change, wait until you hear about the next part, where I will guide you on how to eat these fruits safely and maximize their benefits without unintended risks. Part 4. How to eat it safely and maximize benefits. The fourth truth you must understand is that while these fruits can powerfully support your vision, how you eat them matters just as much as eating them at all. Seniors often make the mistake of over-consuming, thinking that if a small amount is good, then a large amount must be better. But with antioxidant-rich fruits like blueberries and goji berries, moderation and timing are the keys to safety and effectiveness. A small handful, roughly half a cup of fresh blueberries or a tablespoon of dried goji berries, is usually enough to provide the nutrients your eyes need without overwhelming your system with excess sugar or calories. Eating them about 30 minutes before bed ensures that the antioxidants circulate in your bloodstream while your body enters its natural repair cycle. Another important consideration is how you prepare them. Avoid sugary juices, jams, or desserts made with these fruits, because added sugar cancels out many of the benefits by spiking blood sugar and damaging blood vessels. Fresh, frozen, or unsweetened dried berries are the best choices. Pairing them with a small source of protein, such as a few almonds or a spoon of plain yogurt, can also help stabilize blood sugar and prolong the release of nutrients overnight. Seniors with diabetes must be especially cautious. Even natural sugars in fruit can raise blood glucose, and uncontrolled diabetes is one of the leading causes of vision loss. If you have diabetes, it is best to consult your doctor or dietitian about how much fruit is safe for you and to monitor your blood sugar closely. Another group that should be careful are those taking blood-thinning medications such as warfarin, because goji berries in particular can interact with these drugs and increase bleeding risk. In such cases, professional medical advice is essential before adding them regularly to your diet. Hydration is another factor. Eating dried fruit without enough water can lead to digestive discomfort. So always pair dried goji berries with a glass of water or herbal tea. Remember also that consistency matters more than occasional large servings. A little every night builds up protective levels of antioxidants in your system, whereas eating a lot once in a while has much less effect. The lesson here is clear. To maximize the benefits for your eyes, eat the right amount, at the right time, in the right form, and always consider your personal health conditions and medications. If this has shown you how simple choices can protect your vision safely, wait until you hear the conclusion, where I will bring everything together and remind you that your body still remembers how to heal, especially when you give it the right support. Conclusion: protecting your eyes while you sleep. We have now reached the conclusion, and it is time to bring all the lessons together. You have learned that seniors often lose vision during sleep, not simply because of age, but because circulation slows, oxidative stress builds, and the eyes lack the nutrients they need to repair. You have also learned the hidden power of antioxidants, compounds that neutralize free radicals and allow your delicate retinal cells to heal rather than deteriorate. We then revealed the specific fruits, particularly blueberries and goji berries, that carry some of the highest concentrations of these protective nutrients. By eating them before bed, you provide your body with exactly what it needs during the hours when repair is most active. Finally, you now understand how to eat them safely, in moderation, at the right time, and with full awareness of health conditions and medications that may influence their effects. The overall message is simple but powerful. Vision loss is not an inevitable part of aging. Your body, and especially your eyes, still remembers how to heal if you give it the right support. Nutrition, timing, and consistency can make the difference between waking up with weaker eyes each day or preserving sharp vision for years to come. This is not about miracle cures or quick fixes, but about giving your eyes the daily nourishment they need to protect themselves from silent damage. For seniors, this knowledge is life-changing. You no longer have to accept blurry nights, burning eyes, or fear of losing independence because of poor vision. By adding just a handful of the right fruit each evening, alongside a healthy lifestyle, you are choosing protection over decline. I encourage you to share this knowledge with your loved ones. Someone you know may already be struggling with their vision at night, and a simple habit could help them. Now, I would love to hear from you. Take a moment to reflect and share one thing you have learned today and plan to apply in your own life. If you enjoyed this video, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0, so I know how to make better content for you. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss another health tip made just for you.